It's the Labiches.
Before we get started, I want you to give this video a like and subscribe.
Today we are making
bonbons!
And the ingredients are
peanut butter, graham cracker crumbs, chocolate,
powdered sugar,
and butter.
So today it's going to be a little different. I'm growing up, I will be mixing and pouring. Today, Avery's going to be mixing and pouring everything.
Yay!
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is going to be 1 cup of peanut butter.
Oh, 1 cup.
1 cup in here, and then we're going to put it in the bowl. Okay, 1 cup of peanut butter.
I don't like eating peanut butter.
Not plain, but I like them mixed with chocolate. Okay, now you have to figure out how to... I feel like your sleeves should probably be rolled up.
Did you hear that?
I did. She thinks this is a lot of peanut butter. I don't know. We'll see after we melt it.
1 more.
I told you. I knew you'd end up wanting 1 more because it's not really that. Okay.
Ew.
Off to the side. 1 stick of butter. Okay, I'm gonna help. 2 sticks of butter.
Really?
Now we have to melt the peanut butter and the butter. We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is after 1 minute.
It's like butter and peanut butter.
It does smell like butter and peanut butter.
It is.
Butter and peanut butter.
Well, duh.
Now, that was 1 minute. You gotta stir and see.
Ooh,
Okay, very carefully. Okay, so just stir it.
Stir it before it cools off.
So it's pretty liquidy. That's what you want because we're gonna add the entire bag of powdered sugar and 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Okay, but we need to add powdered sugar. You gotta pour the whole bag. I cut it open for you already.
You ready?
Are you ready for it?
I'm ready. Are you ready? You have over the ball. There's the hole. Okay. Oh, it's thickening it a lot. Oh, that's a lot.
Pour the whole thing.
That is a lot.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, stir it.
It's so good.
Do you need me to stir? This is
Show me what you're working with.
what we're working with, which is pretty good because we're gonna roll them into. Okay, here's the graham cracker crumbs, Avery. 2 cups. Just fill it up once and then fill it up twice. There we go. Okay. 1 cup graham cracker crumbs. I think we did a lot of powdered sugar. It actually said 1 box of powdered sugar and whoa!
Are you serious?
I didn't see 1 box, so I did 1 bag. I felt like the same. But we're probably gonna get into it with our hands and start mixing it up. It really looks like sand.
It happened again.
Okay, well. And we're about to just like mix it with my hands.
Sleeves up.
So, okay, we're
This is
going
my
to
favorite
pour. Okay, I am dumping
But not here.
the contents into this pan and we're just gonna get in there and mix it all
Ooh,
up. And
oh
then
my
we're
gosh,
going
look at this big
to roll it into balls.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Bruh.
Our hands are clean.
This
Okay.
is also a workout.
Okay, so let's see what it does when we try to make a ball. Let me see.
Ow!
Look at my ball.
How'd you do that?
Well, I didn't aggressively roll it around. Okay, so we put some parchment paper on a little pan.
We made 2 already.
We're gonna put some Pam on our hands
I use Pam.
so it doesn't stick. Roll it up, grab it, and we're going to ball up these bonbons. And when we're done, we stick them in the fridge, and then we'll dip them in chocolate tomorrow, and we'll have some Christmas candy.
And we'll see you.
The next day.
Hey guys, we're back.
So we let our peanut butter balls sit in the fridge overnight. Now we're going to dip them in chocolate. But first,
We are going to melt the chocolate.
so we're gonna take the lid off and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and see what it looks like. And then we will dip them in and place them on the pan where they'll chill again overnight and then they'll be ready to eat for Christmas.
And the elf is eating the peanut.
She stole one from the fridge.
I ain't gonna lie, that bonbon was lit, yo.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Moments later.
Okay, the next step is really just take the peanut butter ball and drop it in. Cover it in chocolate, find it with a spoon, and there is a bonbon.
So pretty.
Now it's a bonbon. They've only been peanut butter balls until now. This is our finished product, and tomorrow they will be nice and hard and the perfect Christmas candy to give out to your family.
I hope you enjoyed our bonbon video. Comment down below and let us know if you've made bonbons and how they turned out. Bye!